First, open your browser. I am opening Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Visual Studio Code and click enter. You will see the official website of Visual Studio Code. Here you will see the download option, this one. Directly click on this. On the home page you will see download button for Windows, this is Windows, and here it is for macOS and this is for Linux. Choose your operating system. Since I am using Windows, I will click on the Windows button to download. So I am just clicking on download. Here you can see it is started downloading. It takes some time. So once the download is complete, double click on this installer file and you will see this page. This one, click on the run button. It will start the run button. Then click here, I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Then choose yes. Then click again next. Then select these all options, check boxes, because it is nothing but create a desktop icon. It will show the icon directly to open Visual Studio Code, and these are also same like related. So just click on next. Then it will start the install. Click here install button. It will take some time to extract the files and their files. After completing, it will directly open the Visual Studio Code. When the installation is finished, click finish button here down. Now Visual Studio Code will open automatically in this empty space. This is the VS Code interface. On the left side you have the Explorer, search. This is Explorer and this is search, source control, extensions. These are the extensions and other tools, some other tools. Everything you need for development is right here. You can customize everything like themes, settings in these themes. You can go with color theme, file icon theme, product icon, color theme. Dark mode and present I have dark mode plus activating extensions theme. Just take some time. So I don't like this white. I like only dark plus default. I love this. Also you can change these colors for the code. So actually this is I'm doing by Prettier application. And thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you. Good night.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments,